And today I have a camera battery charger. This camera battery charger is not working, and you can see this here. Here is one battery. Voltage rating. This charger input voltage is 100 to 224, and it is the 15 Hz. The output 8.3 volt and 0.58 ampere. Okay, today I will repair this. Before I open this charger, I will check this voltage, input voltage. What happened? Here is the input voltage is present. Okay, let's plug in this. Okay, plug in the battery. No charging. Okay, today I'll fix this. Let's start. And this is the charger. Okay, and this is the main circuit, and here is the I want to introduce you some component of this circuit. And this is the main SMPS driver, and this driver on the transformer, and after that the output the voltage. Okay, this is the main SMPS, and here is they use one octocoupler taking the feedback from the output voltage, and after that is controlling the SMPS. Okay, and here is it uses one charging controller IC. When this battery will be full charge, and it's automatically cut the voltage from the SMPS. Okay, and they use the one transistor here, and this one is the PNP transistor, and this here is a 2 LED. I need to check some common things in this here. 296 volt is present. Check the output voltage, but here is no voltage present. Okay, here is no voltage present, and here is some basic component, and I need to check this. And this one is the octocoupler maybe is okay, and here is no problem. And here is one transistor. Let's say this, and this transistor also okay. And here is one resistor 104. This one is 100 kilo ohms resistor. This one is also okay. That is also okay, no problem. 10 kilo ohms, 10 ohms resistor is okay. And maybe this IC is gone damaged, and due to the IC damage, it is not outputting any voltage. And this IC number is MIP2K3. Okay, this is also same number IC. Okay, this one is our IC. Here is the voltage is present. That means it would work. Let's fit in this. Yeah, our charger is okay, and you can see here is a charging light is glowing, and when the battery will be full charge, that time this full shinies will be grown. Okay, after few time charging, and this battery is full charge, and you can see this, and that means our charger is okay. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.